And now let's render our scene and turn into a video like this. But before anything else, I would like to thank you for following all of my basic video tutorial series, from a very basic videos up to pro lessons. We have all covered all the basic stuffs and all the basic lessons until we get comfortable. Well, it's just a start of our journey because we have a lot of things to explore and to experience more about Blender. Blender keeps developing itself. And of course, thanks for the developers. Watch my video series and get practice every day until you become an expert. Again, thank you for watching all of my Blender video tutorial series. Continue to like and subscribe our channel. And that would be my greatest birthday gift presents ever in my life, and also this year. God bless and be a pro! Now let's continue. We are now rendering our model into video. So here's what you gotta do. Press 0 for camera view. And go to printer icon. Under dimension, set the resolution of your video. For me, 1920 by 1080 is good enough. Set the frame start and its end. Click the empty and check our keyframes. Well, that's good. And now, set the folder where you want to save your file. Click the file format and set to AVI JPEG. Now, after you double check your settings, let's go to render. And click render animation or Ctrl F12. And now rendering video is now in process. Congratulations! This may take a while, and after render the video, go to the folder where did you save your video or rendered file. And here's our finished product. It's so easy, right? Thanks for watching my videos. Keep on practicing every day. Watch my video series and let's learn together. Check out my next videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Click the bell button for daily updates. Also visit, like and follow our Facebook page, Surface360. Thanks for watching.